Hi friends, welcome back to Keeping Up with Miss Electra. And right now I'm going to bring you along to Target, a little like shop with me. I'm going to show you just not a big shop with me, just a few things that they have at Hearth and Hand, and then a little stuff that they have from Threshold for the spring and Easter. And then I'm going to show you everything I picked up from Hearth and Hand for spring, Easter, and some winter stuff too. Alright, so right now we're at the section at Hearth and Hand. These are all the new stuff. All the spring stuff and Easter. Those are little bunny ears. More of those jade-eyed green stuff. The 3-tier tray. I love that cake stand. I didn't get it, but I love that. Kitchen stuff. The kitchen towels are really nice. I love those baskets. And I love those big jars. More baskets. I like that wreath because it's a fern wreath. A little different. More baskets. Those cushions are nice. And more of those little houses and more jars. I love that big lantern. You can put a lot of candles in there. And I like this basket for the spring. I love that terracotta pot. And I like this little house too with the leather strap. That was interesting to me. That's a boot rack. Like that. That's an umbrella holder. Now this is Threshold. Love those green bunny plates for Easter. I like that butter with the little bunny on top. Nice spring glasses. Some Easter cups. Nice cake stand. I'm loving the green this year. And then some blankets, which I love, yellow and the blue one with the buffalo check. Really nice and pretty thick. More stuff, a lot of blush, a lot of pink. Very pretty pink. I love these pillows. That's why I set it together to show you guys in that blue. I just love that. And they have it in yellow too. More pillows. I like that green blanket, or I don't know if it's a pillow or blanket. I like it. I'm loving the green. Some spring bowls, nice little teacups, love them. Egg holder, some Easter plates. I love these canisters. I actually bought those canisters. I couldn't resist. Love this pillow too. Welcome back to Keeping Up with Miss Electra today, and today is a Hearth and Hand by Magnolia by Joanna Gaines, her line. These that I have today, I believe some are the spring line and maybe some are from the winter. I'm not sure. So today I'm going to show you what I picked up, and I'm going to show you how I styled my 2-tier tray that I got from Hearth and Hand for spring and for Easter, how I styled it. But let me show you first what I picked up, and then I'm going to show you how I styled the tray. So, I'm going to start with these two because I'm just so in love with this. So, this is a bowl on the pedestal, and this is a little cake stand, which they're so gorgeous. I think they were each $5.99. So it also comes with a plate, a little plate, like a salad plate that you could put on top of your plate when you're doing a table setting. So they didn't have that, which I'm on the lookout for that. So I'm gonna probably go to another Target. And then they also have a bowl. I think it's something like this. Maybe it's a little bigger. I'm not sure because I haven't seen it in person. So another bowl without this little like pedestal. But I just got 2 each of these, which I'm aiming for 8 of each. I don't know if I can. If not, I'll just get 6. Or if I really can, I'll just have 4 of each. What can I do? But I'm really loving it. It's so pretty for the spring. It's like the jadeite, but obviously it's not real jadeite, which I would love to find real pieces like that. But this is imitation, which is just fine for me right now. So love it for the spring. And then I picked up the salt and pepper shakers, which I like. I don't know if I'm going to use it more for like decor, because what I really want to do is right here, I want to get 2 shelves for the kitchen and maybe decorate with these stuff on it. So I want to use them and I want to decorate because I wanted to get up. I seen a cake stands from World Market and they had like 2 different sizes, which they were nice. I'm on the hunt for these, so I'll be going to a few Targets to find them because my Target didn't have everything, and I think these are going to sell out really, really fast. So I better be going to Target like right now, I think. All right. So then I found these that are so cute. They come in this oval and they come also in the square, which I love these because you can put them in your place settings on your table, or you could just get just one, you know, and just write something Happy Easter, or, you know, just anything you want to write. So even like coffee. So love these. That's some ideas. And I like the square ones. So I'm looking for these 2, which they didn't have a lot of them. So I don't care. I'll like mix and match the square with these oval. You know, you can do square, oval on the table. That's fine. It will look very pretty. So, but I'm really looking for the oval ones. So yeah, these I believe are from the spring line. All right, so, and the other thing that I really, really love, I'm going to show you right now. Okay. This is what I really, really love. This is what I really went for, and then I seen these. So, love it. You put the little egg, I guess, and then you close it. It is so cute. I just find this so adorable. I just couldn't resist it. And it was a little expensive because it was $9.99. So if you want to get a few of these, it will be really pricey. So I just got 1. And I'm going to show you how I decorated with this. So adorable. Wouldn't this be cute to have this on Easter time on each place setting? I would just love it. And I think everyone would really appreciate and enjoy this too. And then you could have even a little chocolate egg in here as a little gift for them, and then just close it instead of having a real egg. That's what I thought of. And then I got the little house. You know, you could use it to put a flower in there. And then I got this little house is you put, you know, like a name tag, you know, for your place setting. But I didn't want to use it for that. And I just wanted to use them to decorate with them, which I'm going to show you in a few minutes. And I think they have a bigger size on this one. And then they have salt and pepper shakers too, like a black and a white one. That is cute too, just for decorating, I think. I don't know if this is the spring or if it was from winter time, but I just loved it. You know, and I loved how these 2, and I love how these 2 look together, like different kind of houses. Okay, and then I picked up these. I've been looking for them. This is for sugar, and this is the creamer, and I like that it's wood, and it has a seal, so that's perfect. Love these. So cute. And then they have salt and pepper, I believe. Is this? Yeah, I think they have salt and pepper, which I'm looking for that. Mine didn't have it, and I like to keep it, the salt and pepper by my oven, so like when I'm cooking and I need to like dash a little salt or pepper, I think that would be great just to have it by your, you know, your oven. And they look pretty too. Then I picked up these 2 bunnies. I know they had them last year. These are from Threshold, I believe, but I thought they were so cute for decorating. I'm not going to use them for salt and pepper. So cute, and they kind of went with I think the Hearth and Hand. Yeah, with the little bunny ears. So I'm loving the bunnies this year, guys. Okay. And this, I think I showed you guys. I don't know, it was just right by here, but I think I showed this, and I believe this is from the winter. Yeah, this is definitely the winter time. So I got this in the winter, but I don't know if I showed you guys, but this is from Hearth and Hand. And I don't know if they still have these. So I just love the wood that she uses on the stuff. Like this wood, and then this, and they like kind of like coordinate. So I like that. Then I got this big bin. I have my mail in here, but I like this. And I thought this would be good with all the mail that I bring in, because we do get a lot of mail and a lot of magazines. So I thought this would be a good option. I just throw it in here to look nice and neat until I get to it. So I thought this was a great idea to use this bin. Because you know when you come in with your mail and you just throw it on your table or your counter, I hate that. So we come in, we just put everything in here, and then when I'm ready to go through it, I go through it, and then I think that's a good option. Because you know you have magazines sometimes, and sometimes big mail, and this is pretty big, and it'll keep the mail nice and neat until you get to it. So, okay, and I picked up this candle, very, very pretty pink. I like because it's like a blush pink, but it smells so good. I just love it. And then it has that wood lid on top, which I love, but it really, really smells so good, guys. It's pomelo coconut. I think I'm pronouncing it right. I don't know, but it smells so good, guys. I don't know if this is the spring line. I'm not sure. And then I got this one. It's the galvanized one, but it's the same scent. Yeah, it's the same scent, but I just love it, and I love that it's galvanized, and it's great for me to decorate with. And this is pretty big, so, and it smells so good. I didn't like this one yet. Love how this smells. And then I got this big candle because I wanted to put it in my lantern, and this one, it doesn't say what smell it is. Maybe it fell off, I don't know, but this one smells good too. All the candles really smell good from her line. So, and this is a pretty big candle, guys. I didn't burn this either, but this I want to put in my lantern back there. Did I show you guys this in the winter time? I don't know if I showed you. You know, you could put like flowers. This would be nice for the spring too, but this is the winter line. I don't know if they still have it. Maybe some Targets do. I'm not sure. And then you put the candles on top, and then you can decorate this in here for Easter, which would be nice. Yeah, I like this one too. I don't know if I showed it to you guys, but it was right here, and I was like, let me just show that to them. So, yeah. And you see it's a clear box, and you could put little eggs in there for Easter. I think that would be nice. Okay, and right here, this is the 2-tier tray. It's pretty heavy. It's very, very good quality. It was $32.99. I thought it was going to be more. Just the quality, and I felt that it was really heavy. And then, you know, the wood. Like I told you, see how the wood matches? And I like how all the wood matches. I don't know what kind of wood this is and what she used, but I like that kind of wood. I like how it looks. All right, so I got the 2-tier tray. I really love the 2-tier tray. It's like spacious, you know, in the bottom and in the top, which I like. So I got this tray because I wanted to decorate with the stuff that I got Hearth and Hand. So I was like, where am I gonna put the stuff I got? And they were like kind of little. I said to myself, what am I gonna do with all these things that I picked up from Hearth and Hand? Because they're, you know, they were like, you know, little stuff. So I said, let me just get this tray and then decorate it and show you guys how I decorated this tray. So let me decorate the tray and show you guys right now. This is how I decorated. It wasn't too much, and I like how it looked, and it's Eastery, but not overly done. I just love how it just came out. It's the 2 little houses down here, and then I put the little 2 bunnies, and then it's on a little cutting board that I had got from Home Goods a while back. These little cutting boards are very, very handy for me. I use them for a lot of stuff. And then up here, I like how I put the sugar and the creamer, so when guests come over, they can reach them easier up here. And then the cute little bunny ear that holds the egg. So I didn't get, you know, what it's really used for, this little egg to put on each table, but I like how it looks here, and I think it looks really cute, and I think it looks so great for spring. Okay, so right here I put the eggs, I put a little grass. I just wanted to show you guys how it would look. You could put anything you really want, but I thought these eggs looked really pretty in here. It's just an idea if you have something like this, or if you have this, just fill it up. You could put like even little bunnies. Little bunnies would be cute if you had like little ones. I think that would be adorable. So I had these eggs on hand. All these eggs, you can see them in there. They're very pretty pastel. These are like maybe 10 years old. These are from Williams-Sonoma, but many years ago. And they're really heavy. I don't know what they're made from, but they're really heavy, and they're gonna last forever. They're not glass, but they're very like made out of I don't even know what. But yeah, so this is what I put in here. I think it looks really pretty, and it would look pretty like in the middle of the table, and all lit. So yeah, so I wanted to show you guys and give you guys an idea, because I love to do that, how it would look with eggs or stuff in here. Very cute, right? I like this idea and how they created this, because it gives you somewhere to decorate, right? I like that. So it's easy because you have it contained and you can just decorate in there. Because you can even just decorate this if you don't want to decorate anything else for Easter. Okay, so I did find the square little plates, so I wanted to show you guys how cute those square little plates are. And I wanted to show you a little of how I'm starting to decorate for spring and for Easter. So this is one of the place settings I might use. So I set it up, and I wanted to give you guys, you know, some ideas and how I created this place setting for spring. This placemat underneath, I think it's so cute. This is from Hobby Lobby, and they're on sale this week. I believe they're like $5 each. They were like $10. So if you want something like that, go to Hobby Lobby. They're on sale. Oh, I like how this turned out. You see how I'm using this charger that I used for Valentine's? I'm using it for spring and for Easter. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and if you liked my video today, and if you liked how I decorated my 2-tier tray, give this video a thumbs up, share my video, tell a friend, and I will see you in my next video, and I hope you always remember to keep designing life.